Oil traded bearish throughout the day yesterday, but remember one important point which I shared yesterday also, and I have been telling you again and again, 74.75 is now a crucial level for crude oil WTI, and precisely we have seen it bouncing back again from 75 levels now at the good level at 76. So now what to expect today? Can we expect again it to drop? And what is the future of NG? Is it just going to drop till further, or we can see a little reversal? Yes, we have seen a moderate rise with the inventory data, but still it has lost all the gains and now back at 2.46 and close to the near term bottom at 2.45. So now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next analysis. The next analysis will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start first. We'll look into crude oil WTI, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end to listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the level. Now see on the hourly chart, this is phase of consolidation. 77.4 levels given it a very good resistance. Lower highs, lower lows are seen, and you can see here it is failing to go downside, and on the upside it is trying to consolidate here within these levels. Now this means on the downside, yes, there is a support at 75.8, 75.7 levels, below which certainly little more bearishness might take it till towards 75 and below levels. Now remember, I have told you again and again, and once again I am telling, 74, 75 levels is now crucial for crude oil WTI. If it breaks below 74, it will call for further bearishness for the coming weeks, where we may see it hitting or breaching below 70. But for the day, yes, 75.8 levels are going to be important. As you can see, these multiple candles getting the support there. So yes, you can sell here at 75.7 here and then expect it to drop for 75.4 and 75 levels, below which a further drop can be seen. Till the time it trades above 75.7, you have to be a little bit cautious and alert. Now see, it is giving you also lower highs, so which direction it might try to move towards, that we need to look into. If it breaks beyond 76.5 levels, you can expect 77, 76.8 zone as a very good resistance, and only if you see it trading above 77.2, there could be further little bullishness which might take it for 77.5 and above levels. Now see, the directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic is trying to retrace a bit. The MACD is in green and it is below sub-zero levels, which means the scope is a little more if it continues to diverge from here. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at 2-hour charts, similar observation on the 2-hour charts, but look at these bottoms and these lows. Now see, the channel low is little far at 74, and this time see, certainly it has changed the slope here and has failed to breach below on the downside. So I will be definitely watchful of 75 levels. Now also look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can clearly see after retracing a bit, it is looking downward. So next candle I will wait and watch for. If it continues, if it drags it below 75.7, there could be further bearishness which we will see, and possibly 75, 74.6 and 74 levels can be expected if it continues to drop below, because see, this is a bearish channel it is trying to trade into. On the upside, 76.5, 76.7 levels are certainly going to be a good resistance. Now see, directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop there. The MACD is crossing over, converging and willing to cross over for the buy movement. Now see, this crossover is happening at a bottom, so possibly if it crosses over, we can see it rising, we can see it extending the rally there. RSI at bottom, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similar observation, but look at the previous two candles here. See, lower lows, higher highs, and this candle is completely engulfed within the previous candle. So there is still little bullishness. If it trades till the time it trades above 75.7 level, certainly we can see a little bullishness where we can expect it to rise, and you can buy at 76.5 levels, expect 77 levels as the next resistance, and beyond that only little more bullishness can be seen. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking up. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is flat near to bottom there. Look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, interestingly, I can see a reversal here. Also, I can see higher lows here. So possibility exists that till the time it trades about 75.7, you can expect that there could be a possibility of a reversal. As I can see a reversal candle, possibility of a rise exists, and hence you can buy here at 76.5 levels, above which 77 can be seen, and beyond 77 you can expect 77.4. If it breaks past this, the next target is 77.8. Beyond that, little more bullishness is confirmed, which might take it further on the upside. Now how high it can rise? Now see this two highs and lows there. 79-80 zone. Only and only if oil trades above 80, you can confirm it for little more bullishness, else it can continue to uh, trade bearish. Directional movement, bearish here, it is trying to converge a bit. Stochastic was oversold, has come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish, looking forward to converge a bit. RSI is trading at bottom, which is showing loss of strength. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, at this point, I told you it is going to rise. It has seen a good rise since then and achieved close to 82, 82.5 levels, which has seen a good resistance. Now see, it has come back to same levels, and this zone 75 and 74, you can see 74 as a base. 75, 74 levels will decide which direction it wants to take, because breaching and sustaining below 74, certainly we may see it hitting 70 levels again, and below that a further drop, but it may take some time. Right now what it is trying to do is to give you higher lows. It tried to breach this channel but failed to do so, and sustaining on the upside, and also higher highs are seen so far on the daily charts. So now we have to wait and watch how it behaves at 75.7 levels, because below that little more bearishness can be seen. Now look at these two candles. Certainly after getting the resistance at 80, first red candle, second red candle, and this candle has a little push on the upside. However, flat top is seen a good sign for bearishness, and now the next candle I will wait for, because also this is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and certainly there could be a little pullback which we can see. Now look at this here. If you see this, the 50 period moving average here at around 77.5 levels, and the 20 period moving average at around 79.5 levels. Now see, these were trading with divergence. These were a little bullish so far, but right now this zone is important for it to break past by. Also the 100 period moving zone is at little far away levels at 82. So for the day, yes, you can buy here at 76.5, but then expect 77, 77.5 as the next resistance zone, and only if it is seen about trading above 78, you can keep long for 79 and 80 levels, and only if it breaks past 80, you can confirm for bullishness. The directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold, the MACD divergent and bearish, the RSI is at bottom. Considering this, you can buy here at 76.5 and sell here at 75.7 for this 80 cents. Do not trade crude oil on the upside, be cautious there. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. You should join my signals channel, and the 19th batch is going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Now look at net gas. Net gas has seen a little reversal, and in fact has gone till towards 2.6 levels, but failed to sustain these levels. Again has seen a sharper drop. Now look at the movement so far. It is completely engulfed within this. The lows it has seen at 2.5, and hence today if you see it trading below 2.4, 2.544 levels, yes, you can sell again. So below 2.44 you can expect that we may see it hitting 2.4, which is a very good support level, and hence you should be cautious of 2.4 levels. Now on the upside, only see, first thing is it has to break past by 2.48, then you can expect 2.5, and then 2.54 levels, and only if we see it trading about 2.54, you can confirm it for a little more rise. Look at the directional movement. This is bearish here. Stochastic is seen trading oversold levels. The MACD is bearish and trying to converge. The RSI is trading flat and near to bottom levels. Now look at 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, one important thing is this was a good consolidation zone. It tried to retrace and again has breached those levels. But most importantly, it failed to break below 2.45 levels. So yes, you can sell at 2.44. That is the only sell level and below which little more bearishness can be seen. Else it is trying to engulf its movement within this, and any rise beyond 2.48, yes, you can buy there, expect 2.5, and beyond 2.5 you can further expect a rise for 2.55 and 2.6 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is also seen bearish here. RSI is at bottom, and if you look at 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, all the moving average trading with divergence, this is clearly bearish indication. The resistance, first resistance at 2.6, then 2.75 levels is seen, and only if it breaks above 2.8, you can consider it for reversal. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is bearish, RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at 4 hour charts, now 4 hour charts, most interestingly, the complete movement as we saw, this is engulfed within this. Higher highs, lower lows are seen. The resistance level at 26 is strong, and yes, the buying levels about 2.5 levels is a good entry. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish, stochastic looking down. The MACD is bearish still. RSI is also trading at bottom. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily chart, the new candle on this chart is yet to start. However, look at the previous candle with a good wick and a very small body. It means the downside now appears to be limited, and possibly it can start here and try to reverse a bit. So you can buy here at 2.48, expect 2.5 and 2.55, and in fact it can reverse a little. Lower highs till towards 2.6 levels can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD is in green, however trading with very little divergence. RSI is consistently trading oversold. Considering this, for the day you can buy here at 2.48, expect 2.5, 2.5 to 2.55, and then beyond that we can see it hitting 2.58 and 2.6 levels. Now see, $0.2 on a net gas is almost equal to a 8% rise. So remember, 2.45 to 2.6 is a good 6% recovery. And now these little movements in NG are to be considered big, and hence you have to keep encashing those movements. So by 2.48, expect a little rise for 2.552 and 55 levels, then 5.8 and then 6. Only if it trades about 2.6, there could be little more bullishness, which you can see there. At the same time, if you see it trading below 2.44, you can sell again 2.42 and 2.4 levels. Below 2.4, it may further crash strongly. Take your trades accordingly. Chances of a reversal exist. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my signals group, join my mentorship batch, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.